Three-headed expert gets kids collaborating and story building together. We like to have 3 kids up at a time, and it reminds me of Cerberus, the three-headed dog, both in Greek mythology and Harry Potter. They are an expert at something. So you can set up the context of an interview show or a talk show. So we could say, here we have our expert on peanut butter and jelly sandwiches and how to make the perfect sandwich. The kids just start right in, and they know they're so good at it. So whatever comes out of their mouth is perfect.
The peanut butter goes last in the sandwich.
When kids play this one word at a time, it's an even greater challenge for thinking on your feet and really listening to the word that came before and actually holding in their memory the whole sentence as it is to make sure it all makes sense.
Brushing your teeth is good, but terrible. I hate brushing my teeth.
I like to play this game as a great precursor to other improv games like freeze improv, where kids really need to be able to have excellent practice at saying yes and to their peers. But what they're doing is also practicing turn taking and listening and these great executive function skills that also help them with so many other life skills.